Hello everyone, welcome to Homeschooling with Hera. I hope you all are well. In today's class, we shall learn another English spelling rule, that is doubling of the consonant. So what does this rule say is if the word has a single syllable or one vowel and it ends in one consonant, you double the final consonant before adding ing, ed, er, est. You can take the screenshot. Let me explain this to you. But before we move any further, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe, turn on the bell notification and hit the like button as well. Come on, now let's get straight into it. There are some points to remember for the doubling of the consonant rule. Please do not skip the video if you want to understand this. The first one is the word should be a single syllable or a single vowel word. Like the word big. It's a single syllable or single vowel word. Or the word stop. It's a four letter but a single syllable word with a single vowel. Okay. And other could be hug. Okay, single vowel, single syllable word. So the first point is it should be a single vowel word like this. Only one consonant after the vowel. There should be only one consonant after the vowel. Look in these words, eagle. E is the vowel and there is only one consonant after this. Look at this word, stop. This is the vowel O and after O we have only one consonant, that's P. Hug. This is also a single vowel, single syllable word and there is only one consonant after the vowel. So if you find these kind of words, you can double the consonant, but provided there is another condition, there should be only the suffixal vowels which you are adding. What are suffixal vowels? Very easy, ing, ed, est. This is not, don't be worried with the big name of this. Suffixal vowels are only the suffixes which start with the vowel like I, E. Okay, so big will be bigger. Okay, big could be biggest. You will double the consonant and adding a suffixal vowel. See, it's beginning with the E. Or you can take the example of a stop. It could be stopping. It could be stopped. Like this. So now we have doubled the consonant because of all these reasons. We also follow the doubling of the consonant rule in two syllable or multi-syllable words, provided the last three letters, these three letters